Hey everyone, in this video we're going to break down Surya Namaskar B step by step. Again, remember to know that you will build your strength in time and to remember to move with your breath using that Ujjayi pranayama. Again, if you're not familiar with that style of breathing, be sure to watch our previous video on how to do that. Let's get started. Surya Namaskar B. We're going to break it down. We're going to do just the first movement. So you're going to inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms up, palms together. As you exhale, straighten the legs and arms alongside you. Again, inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms up. Exhale, straighten the legs and arms alongside you. Inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms up, palms together. Now as you exhale, fold forward, bring your chest to your knees and then straighten the legs. Inhale and look up. Exhale, head into the knees. Inhale and bend your knees, raise the arms up, palms together. Exhale, Samasthiti. Again, inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms. Exhale, fold, bring your chest to your knees and straighten the legs. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, head into the knees. Inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Again, inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms. Exhale, fold, bring your chest to your knees and straighten the legs. Inhale, looking up. As you exhale, hop or step back. Look forward as you lower down. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Now you're going to inhale, step your right foot forward, ground your back heel. Again, your back foot is at a 45-degree angle. And you're going to raise your arms up, palms together. A bit of a Drasana A. Exhale, taking your hands down. Leg back. Look forward as you lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Okay, inhale, now step your left foot forward. Again, grounding your back heel. Raising the arms up. Exhale and fold. Leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. And breathe. So usually in Surya Namaskar B, we stay in your down dog for about 5 breaths. Okay, inhale, now look up and hop or step your feet forward. Exhale, head into the knees. Inhale, bend your knees, raise the arms up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button at the bottom, subscribe, and share this with your friends. See you in the next video.